Sellvia for dropshipping review, my usage experience. Links to Sellvia and related resources can be found in the description below. Sellvia is a unique dropshipping platform that focuses on providing fast shipping, high-quality products, and a streamlined process for US-based and global e-commerce businesses. It's designed to help dropshippers overcome common challenges such as long shipping times and inconsistent supplier reliability, making it a strong option for those looking to scale efficiently. One of Sellvia's standout features is its US-based fulfillment center, which guarantees 1 to 3 day delivery within the United States. This is a game changer for dropshipping businesses targeting the US market, as fast shipping times significantly improve customer satisfaction and boost retention. Unlike traditional dropshipping platforms that rely on suppliers with unpredictable shipping speeds, Sellvia ensures consistency and reliability. Sellvia's product catalog is another key highlight. It offers a curated selection of trending and high-demand products across multiple categories, including fashion, home goods, electronics, and more. Each product comes with professional-grade descriptions, high-quality images, and marketing materials, saving you time and effort in preparing your listings. This makes Sellvia especially suitable for beginners or those looking to quickly build a professional store. The platform integrates seamlessly with Shopify and WooCommerce, making it easy to import products, sync inventory, and automate order fulfillment. When a customer places an order, Sellvia handles the entire fulfillment process, from packaging to shipping, ensuring a hands-free experience for the store owner. Another advantage is Sellvia's custom store service, where their team designs a fully functional e-commerce store tailored to your niche. This option is great for entrepreneurs who want to hit the ground running without worrying about the technical aspects of store setup. While Sellvia's focus on the US market is a major advantage, its global shipping options are more limited compared to other platforms like AliExpress. However, for sellers targeting the US, this trade-off is more than justified by the fast delivery and reliable service. In conclusion, Sellvia is an excellent choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs targeting the US market who value fast shipping, quality products, and hands-off fulfillment. Its curated catalog, professional branding, and reliable logistics make it a top-tier solution for scaling your e-commerce business. Check the links in the description to explore Sellvia and see if it aligns with your dropshipping goals. This review should help clarify whether Sellvia is the right platform for your business.